can be detected at early stages.
Ringing the poll bugle, the ruling NPP on Thursday organised a consultation meeting with the all Jaintia Hills NPP leaders. The party's candidate for the Shillong parliamentary seat, Dr. Ambreen Lyngdoh, addressed the leaders from Jaintia Hills. Seeking support from leaders, Dr. Lyngdoh stressed on the legacy of her father, Peter Garrett Marbanyang, who served as a member of the Lok Sabha from 1989 to 1996, and assured that she will try to carry forward the legacy of her late father. Deputy Chief Minister and MLA from Narthiang constituency, Sngyo Bhalangdhar, while speaking to media, expressed confidence that his party candidate will be able to win the election.
Bakadangkang kerke yang iki kasih ki Jaintia bangin yang teli kawai bangin om ya pat ya pra bahabangi ya pat ya pra ngilong ki banduk nong